Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your favorite song to the music picker on Instagram. So here, I've already opened the Instagram apps. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature called Music Pick where you can add music to a story. So here I'm going to uh, click on the story and choose a photo because this feature can only be used if you use a photo. Okay, I'm going to find one. For example, here I'm going to use this photo. So just click on the sticker icon at the top, and here scroll down and there is the music pick. Click on that, then click on the plus icon to add the music. So by clicking on that, there will be an option to choose the song. Really, you can also search for it. For example, I'm going to just use one from here, this one. Okay, so after that, click on done, and here you can just click on the your story to upload it to your Instagram. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.